South Africa's political debate over voter support in the upcoming 2026 local government elections has taken another turn, with EFF national spokesperson Sinawo Thambo challenging claims that an Ipsos poll cited in the debate does not exist. Thambo accused his critic of making a confident claim without first checking the available research. He also argued that this was not the first time the same person had questioned Ipsos polling, only to later discover that the research had in fact been published. Thambo said this was the second such incident this year and claimed the previous dispute ended with an apology after the polling was verified. At the center of the disagreement is the role of Ipsos research in understanding South Africa's changing political landscape. Publicly available information confirms that Ipsos released a South Africa study on March 26, 2026. The research examined vote attitudes ahead of the local elections, including political interest, voting intentions, and views about local government. The study found that 61% of surveyed South Africans were somewhat or very interested in politics and elections. It also reported that 64% said they intended to vote in the 2026 municipal elections. These figures are likely to attract attention from political parties because polling can influence how parties assess their support, target voters, and shape campaign strategies. However, it is important to distinguish polling from actual election results. A poll measures opinions or voting intentions at a specific point in time. An election measures the votes that are actually cast. Polling results can also vary depending on methodology, sample size, timing, and the questions researchers ask. That means political parties can debate what a poll means without treating it as a prediction of the final results. Thambo's central argument, therefore, is about verification. His position is that anyone challenging polling data should first establish whether the research exists and examine the original source before dismissing it. The dispute also highlights how closely South African parties are watching public opinion as the 2026 local elections approach. The Democratic Alliance, the EFF, and other major parties are all part of a broader contest over political support and control of municipalities. As more polling is released, disagreements over methodology and interpretation are likely to continue. For now, Thambo's message is clear: verify the evidence before making definitive claims. For more analysis of South Africa's political developments, subscribe to the channel and stay informed.